this is our take on the business vending machine project. First, we had to make a survey for all students so we could know which products to put in the vending machine. We gathered products like Lipton iced tea, Coca-Cola, and Snickers. And it was very clear in the survey that most of the people liked certain products. After everything was done, we started planning together. We chose a logo for every single product that they chose. These products are gonna be put in the vending machine. After hours of designing and hours of planning, we have finally got the 5 logos for our products. We rebranded each and every product. For example, we changed Snickers to Shootopia, Lipton to Tea Drip, Pringles to Crunch Munch, and Nestle to Diva, and finally, Coca-Cola to Sugar Crush.
As you can see, after we were done with the rebranding of the products, we had to set a price point for each product to maximize our profits.
Now is a perfect timing for our feasibility study and market research. And no, it didn't stop here. We decided to put our project on the real ground.
After our deep analysis in the marketplace, we found out that these are the 5 most profitable products. اشمعنى كوكاكولا زيرو يعني؟
عمل دايت أكيد يعني. We planned everything, the script, the logos, the prices, the feasibility study, and the final stage, which is the real ground products. Here you go. Together, we developed a plan for stocking school vending machines. This plan includes all of the products that were chosen in the survey, and all of the products that were chosen in the survey were by students. We analyzed price points of each product, we conducted focus groups, and we proposed a selection that we believe will make the most profit while also reaching the widest range of students.